So everyone, I just want you guys to see that I'm having a wagon issue with the column. You can see that the column, the JBL came off. You can see this column is moving. I can't demonstrate it with one hand. You can see, like, look at this, guys. So right now, trying to find a solution to fix this before this permanently breaks, and you can see that the JBL came off it. That means I didn't distribute a good amount of black and white of the JBL original, and you can see where it literally broke this piece off but not the rest, which is strange. And that it's not really strange because you can see where most of the stress is being put on is that center. So yeah, we need to fix this ASAP because this might become a nuisance. But yeah, everybody, this is breaking off. And what I think it needs to be done, it needs a proper weld. That's what it needs. It needs a weld, not JBL weld. It needs a proper weld. So having wagon problems again, ladies and gentlemen, so take it with a grain of salt. So thank you, Jonathan. I just went to go buy some JBL. It's not the one that I originally had, but it's something. This one has a PSI of 3127. The other one had a PSI of 5127. And so I'm mixing it compound right now. Yeah, there it is. So with that, tell everyone, yes, I'm going to be fixing the wagon as I'm here in the coffee shop. I'm going to try to repair it. Alright everybody, so I put a new set of JBL weld. Put a lot of it this time. Doesn't have to look perfect, but it's going to be something. And then I put a lot on the top here. I'm going to see how long this lasts. Like I said, it doesn't need to be perfect, but what I did was got some underneath that ring area, got some underneath, so it is stick. And I also combined the compounds as well from the last JBL. Well, whatever I had left of the white. So I used the white red instead of the yellow, because the white one seems to be a little bit stronger than the white. We see, but I mixed the two. So, but other than that, everybody, I'll give you guys an update in 6 hours. Let you guys know what's going on with this. Alright everyone, it's been drying for the last 4 hours now. I'm going to give it 2 more hours before we decide to give it a test run, but I want you guys to see the progress on that. It dried pretty well, but it's still a little bit soft, so give it another 2 hours or so. Because it said it had a cure time between 4 to 6 hours, so we're going to test that. Alright everyone, so it is about 6 p.m. in the afternoon. I let that cured and dried since 11:30 this morning, so give or take. But I did put another coat in about 2 hours ago, so just in case. And it seems like the new formula for this JBL is drying faster than the old one, so let's see. Alright ladies and gentlemen, so we are out here on the streets. We got the wagon fixed and the wheel is straightened once again. As you can see, it's not bending. So just want to show you in real time that it is fixed for now, but we see tomorrow, once we see the progress on tonight's wear and tear as we roll down the streets. But with that said everyone, These cheap wagons are not ideal. Ladies and gentlemen, update on the wagon, on the wheel. And I'm using the ThePandaPhotographer FL16 video light on my PCR01 video cage using my Samsung S21 device. I want to show you guys the process of the weld. Now, I was using JBL weld once again, but I'm using not the original formula, so take it with a grain of salt. I use the one that has the 3127 psi. It's supposed to be a better version of a previous version of it, and it seems to dry pretty quick. So when you mix the two, make sure you guys apply it very fast, because it does dry up really quick and get thick. But so far the wheel is holding on strong. You can see that well, it's holding on. You can see the wheel is not that bent. It's not bent anymore. It's not bent anymore. Seriously. But also, let me show you the inside. Give you guys a good idea that well, it's holding on pretty strong. So this is the FL16 video light from ThePandaPhotographer. It's helping give you guys some pretty good video and some detail on the JBL well. The new one is pretty good, but very sticky. But so far it's holding up pretty strong. But thanks for watching, and this has been an update on another Amazon wagon that's had failed. Mind you guys, this wagon, I did a review on it. You can read it on Amazon right now. It failed on the first day, and the wheels that come with it, totally trash, because it can't support the weight. They're just not very good wheels. So with that said, everyone, take care.